In this video, we're going to determine which of these is not a function. Well, what I want you to remember is in order to be a function, the x value cannot repeat itself. And when I look here, each place on this line, each of these lines has one x value. If you brought that up to the x, or that up to the x, or that point up to the x, or this point down, you can kind of see that going on. But when I look at this, I can see that this point would go there, and that would go there. This one would also go there and there. This one would go here and here, which is actually called the vertical line test you can do. And it means if you make a vertical line and it touches the function more than once on the vertical line, it's not a function. But you could also just remember when you have something that looks like the shape of a C, it's not a function because it's going to have the same x value over and over again.